Hello everyone, my name is Raksha. My topic is technique number 5. This technique number 5 is so related to the technique number 1. It's in technique number 1, the Docker daemon to the outer world. In this, the outer world is the browser. We extracting a container content to the browser. We saw the container, what the content is there in the browser. Shall go with it. Okay, what we have said. Okay, we have a system. See, this is our system where we create our own image, and then we converted this image to the docker. This docker file creates this image, and then we make the container. Say that container, what the we are using the docker terminal. In the terminal, we type all the what we are creating. All these files are stored. The terminal, what we are doing. In the docker daemon, what happens? It is a docker daemon is an um, background processor. It's a background process which it's like a server in the host. It's a server which runs in the background process. What happens? It's like a it's Docker daemon is uh, like a home robot like that. It's like home robot. What it do? You do all the cleaning works. He cleans all the room. He cleans. He take care of the whole room, whole house, and he maintain all these things. Like that, the Docker daemon also do. It's take building and managing the images. It stores the images, and it acts like an API to connecting networking. Docker API. It's so many things this do. This Docker daemon as a server, it stores the image and everything. This terminal page is acts like a client where it's extract the Docker daemon container from the Docker daemon, and then it pushes to the browser. Let me see how it happens. Okay. To run this container to the browser, we have to do some configuration in our file. To do that one, first is creating etc in Docker. In this directory, we have to put the daemon JSON file. Then we put this host, and it's an Unix socket command where this socket helps as a itself Docker daemon and the Docker client to communicate with each other. This TCP we use using a TCP connection. We build the network and all the things. 00.0.0. It is a IP address. Through this IP address, we can talk to any other IP addresses. We can do any of the. We don't limit it to the sum of the class A, class B. No, we can't. We can talk to anyone, any of the IP addresses. And 2375 is the port number. Its port number is specified for the TCP and UDP connections. Through this port number, we used to communicate. Okay, just do it. Okay, first we create a CD slash etc slash docker. Then we create a daemon file sudo nano daemon.json. Okay, just we copy and paste it too. We paste this here and close this. Next, come back from this. Then the second step is add etc system ed and system.docker.service.override. In this configuration file, what we are doing is in the etc.system.system.d.system.docker.service.d, we are configuration the docker daemon. We making the docker daemon configuration here. The service is what the docker services, what docker had to be done. The services is specifying it. Execute start. Next, start the execution of the docker daemon. Here docker d means docker daemon is also called as docker d. We are specifying user.bin.docker. In this specified thing, our docker daemon image was to extract. We are specifying it in the docker daemon. We are specifying it. Just go and do it. cd/etc/ system d. We enter into this directory, then we create a file. Sudo nano conf. See, I'm already done it. We copy pasted that service, execute start, and three comments are stored here. Then come back. Just now stop before executing the command. First, stop the docker daemon. First, sudo stop docker dot service. Some error is occurring. Sorry, I missed the system cd. It takes time. Then reload the docker daemon. Reload the docker daemon. Okay. Sudo systemctl daemon reload. Then restart the docker service. Wait for the second to happen. Now move to the browser, type your IP address. My IP address is 192.168.3.135. is to specify the port number 2375 slash images slash JSON. See, all the containers what we are showing, we extracting the Docker content from the Docker daemon and executing in the browser. This is all about the Docker browser. Okay, thank you.